Welcome to ATP Customs. Just want to give you a glimpse of my 52 Chevy 1-ton that I found. When I found this thing, it was sitting in a barn. It was all torn apart, sanded down to bare metal, and then they just left it there. So I put it back together just to see what pieces were missing. And it's almost all complete. All original, still got the push button starter on the floor. Looks like someone tried to put a modern alternator in it, and it's got some wiring messes to deal with. A few little pieces are hacked up. It's missing the top piece of the grill, but needs a new grill anyway. I was able to locate headlight buckets for it. All in all, the body's pretty good. A few dents. It's got some rust on the inner rockers that need replacing, but they're cheap. I love that it has the original heater. All the original gauges. All original 1-ton that still runs. And a dually. Love it. Definitely needs a new seat. But it's all complete aside from a few little pieces. Door panels. So, what is the plan with this one? Well, I've got it up for sale right now. If it doesn't sell, I guess I'm going to have to build it. And I think I'll do mostly original with a little bit of modern touches to make it drive a little better. That's if it doesn't sell. Thanks for watching.